Stuck with the Multimedia Device API DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we get into the manual guide for Multimedia Device API, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Multimedia Device API, the Multimedia Device API core. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for Windows audio services, managing the data link between sound hardware and user mode application audio manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Mmdevapi is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Multimedia Device API file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Multimedia Device API DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Multimedia Device API-related system data. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Multimedia Device API error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.